Good afternoon, my dear students. How are you all? I hope all are doing well. Okay. So, the last class we are studied about the expanded form and short form. I think you had understood the concept and I gave some problems. You are completed. Okay, very good. Now, we are going to learn about a new topic and that is place value chart international system. Place value chart international system. Do you remember we are learn about the same chart? No, we are learn about a chart that is place value chart Indian system, but this is place value chart international system. So, what is the importance of place value chart Indian system? We are represent the large numbers in place value chart Indian system. And what is the importance? We make its reading and writing easy. Do you remember? Okay, very good. Now we are move on to this topic that is place value chart international system. Okay, the same like Indian system, it consists of 3 periods. Indian system consists of 3 periods, that is ones, thousands and lakh. But in the case of international place value chart international system, it consists of 3 periods. First one is like Indian system, that is ones. Okay. It again divided into 3 subgroups, that is ones, tens and hundreds. In Indian system also the first is ones. Next, thousand. In Indian system, 1000 period consists of 2 columns, that is 1000 and 10,000. But in the case of place value chart international system, it consists of 3 columns. The 1000 column again divided into 3 sub columns, that is 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. In Indian system there is no 100,000, but international system the place value chart consists of 100,000. That is the main difference between Indian system and international system. And in place value chart Indian system, that is lakh period, but in international system instead of lakh, that is millions period. Okay, the third period is million and that is again divided into 2 sub columns, that is 1 million and 10 million. Is it clear that? That is, I can repeat it. Place value chart Indian international system consists of 3 periods: ones, thousands, millions. What are the 3 periods? Ones, thousands, millions. Is it clear that? Ones again divided into 3 sub columns, that is ones, tens, hundreds. The ones again divided into 3 sub columns, that is ones, tens and hundreds. Okay. The second one is thousands column. It again divided into 3 sub columns. How many sub columns? 3 sub columns, and that is 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Okay. 1000, 10,000, 100,000. And the third period is millions. Millions period again divided into 2 sub columns, that is 1 million and 10 million. These are the periods and these are the places. Is it clear that? You should study well because sometimes you make confusion about the Indian system and international system. The main difference between the Indian system and international system is Indian system consists of lakh period, but international consists of million period. And also in Indian system, the 1000 period divided into 2 sub columns, but in international system 1000 period consists of 3 sub columns. Okay, so studied about the periods and places. Now we have an example. How many places, how many digits? Yes, 6-digit number. Now we have to put each number in each periods. First one is 0. 0 in ones. 7 in tens column. Okay. 8 in 100 column. So the first column is completed. Second one, 9 in 1000 period. Okay. 3 in 10,000 period. 4 in 100,000 period. Clear that? If you get a number, first you draw the place value chart. Write all the periods. 3 periods are there. Each period again divided into subcolumns. That is right. One in ones consists of ones, tens, hundreds. 1000 consists of 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Million consists of 1 million and 10 million. Is it clear that? Okay. So if you get a number, put all the numbers here. So complete it. So like the same way, how to put commas between, after one period you put commas. So in this number, after 1000 period we put a comma here. Clear that? Okay. Next example, how many digit? 7-digit number. Okay. 7-digit number. So first 8 in ones period, 2 in tens, 6 in hundreds. So first period is completed. Next 1 in 1000 period, 9 in 10,000 period, 7 in 100,000 period, and 5 in 1 million period. After one period we put commas here. Okay. So how to read this number? How to read this number? We are studied this about in Indian system like the same way, but the periods are different. The main difference is instead of lakh period, international system is millions. And also in Indian system there is only 2000s column, 1000 and 10,000. But in the case of international system, 3000 period. That is the only difference between. Others like put commas are same way. Okay. So how to read this number? Simple. This is in 1000 column. 100,000, that means 439,000. How to read this number? 439,000. 439,000. 870. Clear that? 439,870. Simple. Next is how to read this number? 5 in millions column. So 5 million. 5 million. 791,000. 791,000. Okay. 628. Like the same way of Indian system, after making the star you can put comma. After one period you can put comma like this. And how to read this number? This number is 439,870. Next is 5,791,628. Okay. Is it clear that? I will give you some number and we can make a place value chart. Okay. All of you listen here. This is your number. Sorry. Okay. This is your number. You have to make a place value chart international system. So first you make a place value chart like this. Okay. And first is ones period. Okay. Ones period. Next is which period? Yes, 1000 period. Okay, and million period. Okay, so if you get a number, international system, make a place value chart, international system. Next, ones again divided into how many columns? Ones, tens, 100. Okay. Next is 1000 again divided into 1000, 10,000. Next is 100,000. I am not writing the number names. I am only write the symbols. Okay. Next is 1 million, 10 million. Okay. 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 Now we have to put the numbers in columns. 2 in. So the same way, if you get a number, you can make. You put the places ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million. Okay? Okay. So 2 in ones place, 5 in tens place, 7 in 100 place. So the first period is completed. Next, 0 in 1000 period, 5 in 10,000 period, 8 in 100,000 period. Okay. Next, 6 in million period. So in 10 million period, it's 0. There is no need to write 0 here. Like this way. Next, we have to put commas. After one period, we put comma. Next period is, okay, so the number is okay. How to read this number? 6 million. Okay. 6 million. Next, 850,000. 800, 50,000. 752. 752. 752. Okay? Is it clear that the number is 6,850,752. Like this, we can make place value chart international system. Is it clear that? So, our last topic is writing figures. That means if you get a number name, you have to convert number name into numbers. Okay. So, this is 4,20,254. That means million is the 100,000, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and ones. In million, 4 million. You put the number 4 here. 100,000, there is no 100,000, so you put 0. 20,000, that means 10,000 is 2, 1,000 is okay, 20,000. 254. This is the number. Okay. After one period, you put commas. 4,20,254. Okay. Next is 314,000. That means there is no million. 100,000 is there. 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and ones. Okay. In 100,000, 314. So 314,731. After one period, you put commas like this. So today we are learned about place value chart international system. It's simple, but you have to practice it. You have to make place value chart with more examples. So you have a homework, that is page number 59, exercise 4, A and B. You should complete. You should write on your notebook page number 59, exercise 4, A and B. Okay? And thank you so much.